Hello friends! In this series of videos, we're going through first position minor pentatonic scales. And here we go through D minor pentatonic. Let's talk through it. Open 4th string, 3rd finger, open G, 2nd finger A, 1st finger C, 3rd finger D. Let's play through it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. Have fun practicing. And as always, if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do so. You won't miss any new content as we launch it. You can also visit us at beginningguitaronline.com. While you're there, sign up for the Woodshed newsletter. We gather educational guitar content from around the web and deliver it right to your inbox.